So the Legion Go 2 has finally been unveiled, and today we're breaking down everything you need to know about it: specs, price, release date, and what people are actually saying about it. Stick around, because I'll also give my own take at the end. Hello and welcome to Gamer Crate. Let's dive in. First up, inside the box you get the 65-watt charger, which is nice. A case, thank God they included one at this price, and of course the controllers. Pretty solid package. Now performance, at 25 watts you're getting about a 10% boost over the first gen Legion Go in heavy games like Cyberpunk. But where it really shines is in the low power range. 5 to 15 watts games like Hades and Dead Cells show almost a 20% FPS jump. That's actually impressive. So yeah, Lenovo's launching two models. The base version runs the Ryzen Z2 with 16 gigs of RAM, up to 5.1 gigahertz. The premium one rocks the Z2 Extreme and 32 gigs of RAM. Storage goes up to 2 terabytes, which is wild for a handheld. Now let's talk about the pricing. You can see the price chart on the screen. Even I was shocked when I got to know Lenovo will pretty much face the consequences for their sky-high prices, and even this console won't get that much sales until they reduce it further. That's premium handheld territory for sure. Release dates are late September in Europe and the 31st of October in the US, mostly through Best Buy and official site. And let's touch on SteamOS. At launch, there's no SteamOS variant, but Lenovo hinted one could drop later, just like with the original. Of course, you can always install it yourself if you're into tinkering. Now, what are people saying? Well, Reddit's kind of roasting the price. Some say they'd rather buy 2 PS5 Pros or even a gaming PC for that amount. Others are calling it dead on arrival at $1,400. Honestly, I get the frustration. If I would have to spend this much, I would rather go and get Legion, go OG, and with the remaining amount, just upgrade my graphics card and system. Anyways, I'm curious what you think. Did Lenovo make the right call going premium, or should they have cut back and launch it under $1,000 to make it more affordable? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.